Ganahan kaayo ko ani nga filter kay mura jud kog artista. Hi everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. This is John, usa sa mga in-life financial advisors diri sa Davao City. Now, I want you to remember 3 letters. ARR. A for affordable, R for renewable, and the other R is reliable, or simply R. Affordable because for as low as 1,000 pesos per month, naa na kay 2 million pesos nga life insurance coverage. R for renewable because you have the option to renew your plan until age 75. Reliable because kabalo ka nga if something happens to you, your family is financially secured. Reliable po siya because you have the option to add other benefits like critical illness benefit. Nga if you become critically ill, naa kay madawat for your treatment and recovery. You also have the option to add accidental death benefit. Nga if something happens to you due to an accident, 1 million goes to your beneficiaries on top sa 2 million nga ilang madawat. Now that's iProtect. It's a term life insurance plan in life. Wala ni siya investment component, wala ni siya savings. It's purely life insurance. Ang nakanindot is affordable, renewable, and of course, reliable. To learn more about iProtect, just send me a chat. Let's do a one-on-one consultation. It's free, no obligation. Magandang araw!